This is the elevator of a Bellmoor Inn and Spa Hotel in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. It's a Otis Series 1. There are 2 elevators here, so no problem. It is. Let's go up to 4. Oh, 4 slot. 3 works. We'll go to 3. 4 floors reserved for the adults over the age of 25. 2. You are 3. Yep. 4 floor is reserved for adults over the age of 25. In fact, I am over the age of 25. Let's go and look outside. Wow, I like this view so much. Right over there is a local swimming pool. And if you look over there, the vending machines. And an ice dispenser too. And I think there's another one over there. Look at our cabin. Luxurious cab. I love it. Let's go on to the basement. I like this luxurious cab. It looks so cool. Use your certificate right there. Use your emergency phone. And the capacity is 200 pounds. 2. 1. You're a basement? No. The basement must be the parking garage. And over there is the other one. Yep, there is another one. So we're going back to 1. And we're at 1. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.